Charts allow you to present information contained in the worksheet in a graphic format. PowerPoint offers many types of charts including column, line, pie, bar, area, scatter, and more. To view the charts available, click the Insert tab on the ribbon. And then click Chart. To create a chart, click the Insert tab on the ribbon. Click the type of chart you want to create. Insert the data and labels. To edit chart data, click on the chart. Click Edit Data on the Design tab. Edit data in the spreadsheet. To modify the labels and titles, click the chart. Click the Layout tab. And choose the appropriate label to change. The Chart Tools appears on the ribbon when you click on the chart. The tools are located on 3 tabs: the Design, Layout, and Format. Within the Design tab, you can control the chart type, layout, styles, and location. Within the Layout tab, you can control the insertion of pictures, text boxes, and shapes, labels, backgrounds, and data analysis. Within the Format tab, you can adjust the fill colors and word styles.